Nice to meet you. What's your name? Lisa. It's so nice to see you. Would you like a free beer? Now, do you have ID? If you're under 18 for a free beer. You know what? No. I'll look the other way.
We're going to Open Sauce, where science YouTubers meet, and it even has all my favorite YouTubers. I love watching BattleBots with my mom and dad, actually. They have 3D printers. They have so many darn 3D printers.
Oh my god, that's heavy. Tungsten ball.
What is it?
It's a tungsten ball.
Can I hold it?
Sure, it's heavy.
Oh, that is shockingly heavy. Right, all right.
Okay, so.
Go for it.
This is the, I guess, world's largest bear trap.
Speaking of the bear trap, if you're a fan of the Backyard Scientist, I actually saw him.
Who signed it? I wrote it. Wow. Congratulations, Lisa.
By the way, I'm a huge fan of Mark Rober, so when I heard there was a miniature Crunch Labs at Open Sauce, I was beyond excited. Science Bob showed us around, and things got even more amazing. We also saw him live on stage during his epic ping pong ball explosion experiment. Thousands of ping pong balls went flying everywhere, and we even caught a few.
At this top, here we go. Okay. And capping in 3, 2, 1, cap. It looks different than the other.
Something looks different. Oh yeah, dude, I'm...
So, the ArcAttack thing had some really cool music, but we just wanted to get through all that cool stuff in the video. Hear the music, stay till the end.